I'm installing a new blower motor resistor on this 2002 Ram 2500. It gets installed here right next to the blower motor. It's connected to this connector. You can see the one that came out of here was bad. It only blew on high speed. So you didn't have your 1, 2, 3, which is very typical when you have a blown blower motor resistor. And I got this new one online. It's held in with a couple of screws here. It goes right up in this position, up in the hole. I've put this combination together to help get in here: an electric ratchet, a wobble socket, and a screwdriver. Okay, let's see if we can get that screw in. All right, we'll get that last screw in there. And then so all I need to do is install this connector. As you can see right here, if my camera would get a little lower here, let's see if I can angle it down so you can see where I'm trying to connect this to. It's kind of a tight area. All right, so you can hear that the blower motor is now working. Before it would only work on high speed, but now we still have high speed, but we have 3, 2, and 1. So mission complete. It's pretty simple. It's just held in with these 2 screws. Just the hardest part is getting to it. You're gonna have to do a little contortion, lay on your back, swear a couple of times. As you can see from the old one, it was melted. It only worked on high speed, which is typical when these resistors go out. But we've got the new one in there. It's working as it should. It's a project that's not too bad. It's just held in by a couple of screws. It's just in a tight spot. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.